walk to the park. Buy me some peanuts and Dumbo Jacks. I don't care if I ever get back for its root. Root for the home team. And if they don't win, it's a shame. Because it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the Oval game. Loading.
Unadulterated
Loading for your face, your voice, your clothing. Let's just say I loaded all. Oh, what is this feeling?
Oh, good Lord.
Laura, what did you do to your bear?
I don't know. I just saw that.
Why do we do this to ourselves? That's my question.
You know what I would ask? How do we kill my car battery? Every time we pull all-nighters, and we always do it in a stupid spot.
Yeah.
We're not going to say where, because 1 was on a boat ramp and 2 was by a beach. I just said where, but
Yes,
that's okay. You have a hairy face. It's like black.
Yeah, I know.
Right here.
Yeah.
You have like hair like all over your face.
I know.
Does everyone have hair all over their face?
I have chin whiskers.
No, Laura has hair too. It's like a bear.
Do I feel it?
Guys, we look like bears. We have hair all over.
Jen, you have back hair.
I do not.
Yeah, you do. You have black hair.
Black hair. You have arm hair.
No, I don't.
So do I.
So do I. You have toe hair.
You have fro hair.
Don't touch. Guys, it's a style. I just pay $100 for it.
Oh. Can you go back for a refund, Jeff?
Is it sexy?
Oh, you bet.
Guys, we should go get on that bus and see where it takes us. Oh, I totally agree.
No.
You know how fun that is?
No, because I've never done that.
Can I stick this in your nose?
No.